Myself, Rajendra Eskalai. My qualification is MSc Chemistry BA and experience is of 28 years. Now today we are going to discuss about numericals based on atomic number and atomic mass number. Now here write down type 1. First numerical, write the complete symbol for the atom with the given atomic number Z and atomic mass number capital A. Here write down A. Z is equal to 17, comma A is equal to 35. B, Z is equal to 92 and A is equal to 233. And C, Z is equal to 4 and A is equal to 9. Now here first write down the first numerical, that is Z is equal to 17 and A is equal to 35. Here write down the aim to find complete symbol. Now here the atomic number Z is equal to 17 and which is the atomic number of chlorine, and symbol for chlorine is Cl. That means here the complete symbol is Cl 17 and here write down 35. Then next, the symbol for atom is 17 Cl 35. Then next second problem, Z is equal to 92, A is equal to 233. Here to find complete symbol is equal to question mark. Here Z is equal to 92. That means here 92 is the atomic number of uranium and whose symbol is U. That is the symbol for the atom is uranium 92 233. Third, Z is equal to 4 and A is equal to 9 to find complete symbol is equal to question mark. Now here Z is equal to 4 and 4 is the atomic number of element, that is beryllium, whose symbol is B and the representation is 4B9. Now the next problem, three elements Q, R and T have mass number 40. Their atoms contain 22, 21 and 20 neutrons respectively. Represent their atomic composition with appropriate symbol. Now we are write down solution. Here given data now for element Q, mass number is given, that is A is equal to 40, comma, neutrons are also given, that is N is equal to 22. For element R, again A is equal to 40 and N is equal to 21, and for element T, A is equal to 40 and N is equal to 20. Now we have to find atomic composition appropriate symbol. Now here first to find atomic composition of Q with appropriate symbol is equal to question mark. Now here mass number is given and neutron number is also given. That is, first find out the value of atomic number, that is Z is equal to A minus N. That means here substitute the value, that is 40 minus 22 is equal to 18. That means here the atomic composition of element Q is, that is here write down Q, atomic number is 18 and mass number is 40. Q 40. Then second, to find atomic composition of R with appropriate symbol is equal to question mark. That means here Z is equal to A minus N, that is 40 minus 21 is equal to 19. That means here the atomic composition of the element R is here write down 19 and here write down 40. Third, to find atomic composition of element T with appropriate symbol That is here Z is equal to A minus N. That means here 40 minus N, the value of N is 20. That means here answer is 20. That is the atomic composition of the element T is 20 T 40. Now let us write down one problem for homework. An atom having atomic mass number 13 has 7 neutrons what is the atomic number of the atom? Will answer that is Z is equal to 6. Now here write down type 2. Find out the number of protons, neutrons and electrons in the nuclide. That is 18 AR 40. Now we are write down solution. The given nuclide is 18 AR 40. Now here the given nuclide is neutral. Now here to find number one, number of protons number of neutrons and third, number of electrons. Now we write down first to find number of protons and electrons. Now keep in mind the most important point is that atomic number represents the number of proton which is equal to the number of electron if the atom is neutral, and mass number represents the number of protons and neutrons. These protons and neutrons are collectively called as nucleons. That means here number of proton is equal to number of electrons which is equal to atomic number, that means 18. To find number of neutrons that is number of neutrons n is equal to a minus z, that is 14 minus 18 is equal to 22. Now write down the problem for homework. Here calculate number of protons, calculate the number of proton, neutron and electrons. Protons, neutrons and electrons in (35) BR-80. Here answer is number of proton is equal to number of electrons which is equal to 35 and number of neutron that is n equal to 45. Then number 6, how many electrons comma protons and neutrons are present in each of the following. Number 8, (56) D8 2 plus 137 9 F minus 19 and C 88 RA 226. Here answer is number A 54, 56, 81. Number B 10, 9, 10. And number C 88, 88, 138. Try to solve this numerical in your home. Then write down type 3. This type is only for CBSE 11, NEET, and JEE. Now here write down the number of electrons comma protons and neutrons in a species are 18, 16 and 16 respectively. Now assign proper symbol to the species. Now here given data solution. Number of electrons is equal to 18. Number of protons is equal to 16. And number of neutrons is equal to 16. That means here to find symbol of the species. Now here first to find atomic number Z is equal to question mark. Now atomic number Z is equal to number of proton and which is equal to 16, and 16 is the atomic number of element sulfur whose symbol is capital S. Second, to find mass number, that is capital E. That is mass number is nothing but the number of proton and neutron, that is capital A is equal to Z plus N. Here Z is 16 plus N means number of neutron 16, and therefore mass number is 32. Now third, to find charge on the species, that is here species is not neutral because here number of proton is not equal to number of electrons. That means here it is anion that is negatively charged species. That means here excess of electron is equal to 18 minus 16, that is 2. That means here to find symbol of the species, that is, here write down yes 16, 32 and here 2 minus. Now you can also directly solve this problem. Here number of electron, protons, neutrons in a species are given, that is 18, 16, 16. Here number of proton is 16. Meaning is that the given element is sulfur. Atomic number is 16. Now what is the mass number? In order to calculate the mass number, let us count the protons and neutrons. Protons are 16 and neutrons are also 16. 16 plus 16 is equal to 32. Now calculate the charge on that element. Here number of electrons are 18 and number of protons are 16. Now electron carries unit negative charge and protons carries unit positive charge. That means in this case there are 2 more electrons than that of proton. That means the charge is 2 minus. That means this is the symbol of the species. That means this shortcut technique is used in order to solve the MCQ in the various exams like MSTCET, NEET and JEE.